We all know that there's a crisis in the steel industry. We know that in Wales better than anywhere else, with hundreds of jobs under threat and discussions taking place about the future of steel manufacturing. That's why I brought a delegation from Plaid Cymru here to Brussels a few weeks ago to meet with top people in the Commission to explain to them just how crucial steel is to our industry in Wales, to our jobs and to our communities as well. And this week the European Commission has published a new plan, a paper setting out what changes should be made to support the steel industry and help it grow across Europe. Now, it's easy to blame Europe for things, and lots of people do that, whatever the issue. But in this case, it's crucial that we are working together with other countries to support the steel industry and to help it, because it's member state governments, the governments like the UK, that have been blocking Commission moves and things that we voted on here in the European Parliament to increase the payments that have to be made, for example, by China dumping steel cheaply on the European market. It's the governments that have been blocking those measures. So once again, we see that by working together on a European level, by persuading those European governments that this is the way to move forward, that we can secure jobs, that we can create a better future for steel, that's why we need to be in Europe working together in all our interests.